you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
Yes. Guys, hindi ko
I
natapos
can
yung
still remember
doon sila kay Lape.
the first time that we kissed. Feeling like
Good morning guys. Today is Friday, April 22. Nagliligpit na kami. Kasi uwi na tayo guys. Ang bilis lang. I know, but we have to baba because daddy, kasi
but
bukas
we're still going to Queensland to get that big banana.
Si Jan kasi bukas, mayroon siyang charter. Then yung mga bata, puti sila guys. So, kaya hindi tayo mag-stay ng weekend dito. Kasi may ganap si Jan tsaka yung mga bata. Okay, baba. Change na. Okay, it's alright. Come on. Ha?
No.
Nice.
Mommy.
Ayan yung isa niya pang nabili na Santa Cruz na jumper. Come on, Papa. Is Stitch still asleep? Kuya, wake up. Come on, Papa. And sinot ko ulit yung jacket na galing kay Kat. Kasi sobrang ano niya, soft niya guys. Come on, Papa, where's your leggings?
I don't.
Cathy sells AU if you want to get this. Come on.
Good time running.
I know. So close the cabinet. Always.
So long.
And you know,
Sine-check ko lang yung ating mga cabinets kung naka-impact ba sila lahat para pag nagbiyahe tayo hindi sila mahulog.
Mommy, yeah, my
Ah, yeah, wait. I-timelapse ko kayo guys kasi yung SD card natin na bago natin binili. Ano na guys, full na yun. Tapos, ito kunti lang yung isa na transfer ko sa laptop. So, i-timelapse ko kayo dito. So, tapos na ako maglinis dito guys. Okay, si Jan tapos na. Yep, okay, I'm going out na. Alright. Inalis na yung TV. Wala yun, okay. Okay. I-hook na nila. Si Ben tapos na. Uwian na guys. Okay, all good na guys. Nakabit na yung mga dapat ikabit dito. Ayan. Okay. Han, lock the caravan. It's not locked yet. Si Kuya tumutulong. Are you learning ya? Ha? Ayan, lock na ni Jan. Check lang natin. Okay? Ayan na sila. Ang ating kasama. Nakalimutan ni Jan na i-pull out yung mirror. Tapos dito pa. Okay. Oh, good.
I don't want to go home.
You don't wanna go home? Ayaw pa nilang umuwi. Say good morning, guys.
Morning.
Morning. What are you doing, Baba?
Oh, hang on.
Magbe-breakfast kami sa McDonald's. Pero yung yung caravan namin sobrang haba para i-park dito sa parking. Na-occupy yung dalawa pero kailangan parang tatlong kailangan. So parang lalabas na lang tayo.
He said, why don't we just put the caravan in the tree park?
can you get out up there?
Dad.
Tingnan yung kilawilo. Na-occupy nila dalawa.
Mom.
Ayun yung dalawa nag-uusap doon. So, na-sure. Yung McDonald's nasa kabilang kalye. Nakapark kami dito sa Bricks. Okay. Okay. Ayan yung ating caravan guys. Yung dalawa may iwan dito. So, kami lang tatlo si Sak. Ayaw niya naman ng McDonald's, di ba? Come on. Ka-order na kami. Hinihintay na lang namin. Yung dalawa. So, ito yung hot sauce bun. And yung hot chocolate natin. Mine. Yeah, this is the hot chocolate. Wait lang guys. Ayan yung mga nakikita niya dito. Ang cute to. Happy Meal. Ayun si Kuya. Come on, Holly. Thank you. Come on, Holly. Holly. Come here. Hintayin na tayo ni Johnny. Hurry up, Papa! Park kami dito sa gilid, guys, para kumain ng breakfast.
I finally ate my pancakes.
Yes, Baba. Okay. Zachary doesn't want the hot cross bun. Why, Zach? Why?
It's dry.
It's dry. You have to put the butter, yeah. Toasted na kasi yan. Okay, kain tayo. Just wait, Baba, ha? Just wait. That's yours. Okay, John, this one. And this is your hash brown, babe. Honey, hash brown.
Yeah.
Meron tayong apple pie. Ito sa akin, egg and bacon. Tapos may dalawa akong hash brown.
What's in there?
Mighty McMuffin. Ito kay Holly.
Is this a syrup?
Yeah. There's your... Just the butter. Put it on your butter, Baba.
What butter?
Oh no, that's the butter. This is the syrup. Don't touch it, huh?
What is it?
I hope they have pork in it. Okay.
Oh,
Can you open it for mommy, please?
yes, I can.
Nag-melt na yung butter.
Oh, I have two.
Yeah, give me. This one.
Pancake syrup. I need to dig in.
Wait, Baba. We need to put the
Where's
butter.
it has butter?
Is your butter melted, yeah?
Yeah.
Ay, ang hirap. Ang hirap naman ito. Okay. Spread all the butter and then the syrup.
Yes, sassy boy.
Nakatakot to.
We had two already. Pop that first on my off.
You have one more there.
Here's a wrapper.
How's that egg yours?
Yeah, that's mine. You said you don't want
It's nearly full that bad.
No, but guys.
Not too much bad though.
Yeah, can you just put it
Yeah.
on the side first, just in case, because I think at the bottom I have it. Okay, wait, Baba. Wait lang guys, hirap nito pala. Hirap pala mag-pancake sa ganitong nasa car.
I got a lot so I can share some for Kuya because I might not finish it.
Yes, you say, share it with Kuya Zach. Zach, pancake, okay?
Ah,
Gave you an image.
huh?
Honey Talana.
Text.
Oh no, 1 year old because si Willow magbe-birthday na.
When's that?
This May 3, I think.
Who's their first birthday?
Hoy, Zach, your birthday is coming! What
No, go back and do it.
Okay, cut ko lang to, guys.
Wait, it's Sunday, May the 1st.
Yeah, well...
Dad, Sunday, May the 1st. We're invited.
May the 1st.
We're invited.
I think Daddy is gonna... Hindi ko alam kasi si Jan may mga charter siya, guys. May schedule
We
siya
can
for
skip
charter.
it.
No, because that was scheduled for...
When it's my birthday, could you? Oh yeah!
What?
Tito Neil's invited to my birthday. He's gonna give me drawing set.
Drawing set. Is that what you asked for, Tito Neil?
No, he asked.
Ah.
I still want me to call.
Put your seatbelt on, Holly, and then add it and say what.
Yeah. Share it with Kuya Zat.
I don't want this.
Yeah, wait, just wait, Baba.
I want 8. 8. Oh.
Baba, don't sit there, Baba, because I have no
Mom,
space.
you know what pancake I like
Hmm.
in kind of shops?
Hmm.
This one tastes good because I'm really starving.
Okay. Ayan na, guys.
Hang on.
Okay, sit down. Ako sa biyahe na lang. Tapos na si Jang kumain eh. Put your seatbelt, please.
I can really smell it from here.
Okay, you don't need the knife, Baba.
Yeah.
Right. Para matibay. Okay?
Why?
Okay, put your seatbelt. Okay, yan na guys po. Kainin ko na siya.
Thank you.
Welcome. Naka-seatbelt na yan. Good? Alright, ako naman. May hot chocolate tayo. Ito yung akin, guys. Hala. Ano na siya? Durug-durug na. Wait lang, guys. Nakalabas na yung egg. Oh. Bata parang puti-puti ko. Ayan. Ayusin natin. Grabe naman si Kuya. Minorder yung aking food. Yung ating hash brown. Lagay natin yung hash brown. Parang dyan lang. Linalagay ni dyan yung hash brown sa kanyang burger. So, ganyan siya kala. Ganyan siya, guys. Oh. Okay, let's go.
You right, Bobby? Get seatbelt on?
Yep. Gagawin nyo. Saan huwag kayo mahulog dyan, no? Wait lang. So, isa pang sagat.
Oh, that's funny.
Hot.
Bag.
Seatbelt ako. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Huwag kayong mahuhulog, guys. Huwag kayong mahuhulog. Seatbelt ko yung kumakulit. sa Wellington. Sakay ulit tayo ng ferry and ang haba ng pila. Pang ilan kaya tayo? Ayun, ang haba ang pila guys. Ito highway, daanan, crossing to. Kaya kinat muna ni Jan just in case may pumasok na car. Time check is 11:05. Atras lang si Jan kasi baka may mga dumaan na sasakyan. Hindi tayo makabara sa kanila. Yeah. Tulad yan, hindi tayo nakaharang sa kanila. Hintay lang tayo guys ulit kung pang ilan tayo. We're moving now. But hindi pa tayo nasa boat or ferry. Ayan, ferry. Prepare to stop. Si Holly, ayan nakatayo. Tayo lang siya with daddy. Who tie your hair? Siya lang nagtali niyan guys. One side nga lang. Okay, stop tayo dito and wait for our turn. Ayan, tamang tambay lang muna si Ben dito sa amin. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung hay doon guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo yung hay. Yung truck. Ayun. Pang ilang kaya tayo ngayon? Last time pang 24 tayo guys. Naghintay tayo ng sobrang matagal. Pang 24. Ngayon hindi ko alam kung pang ilang tayo. Pero ayan, mahaba ang pila. Ayan yung kay Ben na caravan. Natin kung may mga bukas na cabinet. Good? Oh, good. Kasi duman tayo sa mga roughy. Yeah, okay, all good. The bed's still good, alright. Yeah. And ayan, mayroong ang haba ng pila guys. Oh. You wanna go toilet? Okay, let's go toilet. Yeah, okay, alright. Toilet muna kami guys. Haba pa to. Nag-move tayong konti and tingnan nyo yung dalawa. Acrobat? Gymnast? Are you a gymnast? Okay. Just... Yeah, koala, that's right. Monkey, that's right. Ini-entertain nila yung sarili nila. Kasi medyo matagal-tagal tayo dito guys. Yung nasa likod namin, ganun na kahaba guys. Hala, Sally. Hala. You're right. Release this one.
You want?
So all you have to do is to hold on.
Let's see who can do this for the longest.
Just careful.
Ready, set, go.
What? Sit there for a long time.
Okay, ready? I'll hop on as well.
So
Ready,
set, go. It's not hurting? You won. Come on. Mag-move ulit tayo, guys. Andun na rin sila, Ivy.
So we can't get on, Dad?
No, we can't.
Might, yeah, we will.
We might?
Yeah.
You think so? Okay, we're in, guys. Let's see. Wait. Just wait. Alright. We're on.
It's a different person, Dad.
Yes, different person from... Wait. Okay, super ferry. Sakay na. Okay. Oops, slowly, babe. Okay. Can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 on the side. Okay. Sinara lang ni Jan yung ating folder. Ito yung mirror. Okay na. Binuksan niya ulit. Okay, stop, babe. Oh, stop. Yay. Magkasama tayo. Kasama natin sila ulit. Kasi minsan pwedeng hindi kasi depende kung ilang cars. So ngayon Sabay ulit kami.
We don't need
Okay, Baba, are we moving? Okay, seatbelt. Seatbelt na, Baba. Okay, nagmo-move na tayo, guys. Dadalhin niya tayo sa kabilang kalye. Yes, we're moving. Holly! Hi, Baba! See me in the mirror? Wave! Ayan na guys, naka-ano na tayo, naka-tawid. Sila muna ang pinapauna yung mga malilit na cars. Then tayo yung next. Okay. Ayan na siya. Yeah, this one, yeah. They're all gone. Binalik na ni Jan yung ating mirror. Side mirror. Okay, yan si Kuya. Thank you. Okay. This one had a bit.
No, the other one's bigger.
Bigger.
First is
Alright. Sila naman yung sasakay. Sila naman. Bikers. Okay. Close na natin yung window. This time, hindi matagal yung paghihintay natin para makasakay sa ferry. Mabilis lang compare nung papunta tayo doon. Sobrang tagal nun, guys, di ba? Ngayon, mabilis lang. Yeah. Bukas, may footy ang mga bata. Si Willow ang magdadrive sa kanila sa... Where are you going? Yes. Where are you going?
Where?
Kongoro? No, Kongoro. Kangadu.
Yeah.
How far is it?
She's pull out FAMILYVLOG.
Which way are we going?
How far is it, Han? 25? No, how far is it, the footy for tomorrow? 25?
No,
40 minutes? O, si Willow magdadrive sa mga bata. Kasi si Jan, may charter siya. May charter siya bukas, guys. So, si Willow, si Ben, tsaka si Max din kasi ka-team nila. Why?
Because does it finish with 4?
about 4:45 finishes.
Maaga sila bukas, 7 o'clock. Pipick upin sila 7 o'clock ni Willow. Kasi matagal, medyo malayo yung game nila. Saan sila maglalaro. Okay, drive muna tayo, guys. So, gumaganon sila, si Jan, tsaka si Willow. Kahit yung may mga caravan, para sila mga mate. May caravan. You right there, Baba?
Yeah.
Where's Mushi? On the floor. Okay, mamaya na lang ulit, guys. Time check, 1:06. Stop tayo dito, guys, sa Kit para mag-lunch. Nakatulog akong very, very light. Ang lakas ng pa-music ni Jan. What? AC/DC, sobrang lakas. So, dito tayo kakain, guys, ng lunch. Ayan, mga ship. Isang truck. Ayun, kasama natin dito sila nakapark.
Look at that one.
Where are you going, Han? Ayan, isang truck na ship, guys. Gagawin na silang, rose lamp.
Oh, we're gonna take the footy, Dad.
Baho ng, ng ship. Yung outfit ko, guys, tingnan nyo. Naka-medyas tayo. Slipper niya pala, rip curl. Naka-rip curl pala siyang slippers. Si Kuya, gusto ni TJI, eto, Caesar wrap. Ayan. How about you, Holly? What do you want? What's that, teriyaki? How about you, Baba? Oh, yeah, which one? You have to tell me. This is chicken avocado. No. You want chicken teriyaki? No, the same. Here, teriyaki.
What's that?
Teriyaki chicken. Doon kay Sak yung iba, lagyan natin to ng chicken sauce. Yes, I done pay. We're all good? All good? Okay, let's go. Are we gonna ask plastic? You can ask, yes, I did. Dito tayo kakain. Ate Kuya.
Get chips?
Yeah, we got chips.
Just make sure. Okay, good. Dad, I got one!
Okay. Upo tayo dito. Kain ulit. Alcohol. Sak, alcohol?
It's a nice looking breast.
I want my chips.
Want some chips?
No, mate.
I think we're gonna drive, guys. Para makauwi tayo ng maaga.
Here,
We're going to the playground.
Yes, we're gonna drive while eating.
Not eat mine, Mom.
Huh?
Not eat. Oh, Mommy, I want chips. Thank you.
Welcome. So hot. Very hot.
This prices went up on the wraps.
What's that?
Used to be $5.
What's it now?
No, that's $8.
$8?
No, it's always $8. It's always $8. Sabi sa kuya, nagmahal daw. Dati raw 5. Sabi ko, hindi 8 yan before.
Not eat.
No, it's still the same, kuya. Chips.
Mommy, where's my drinky?
Drink. Where's your drink? Where's your drink, Baba? Kumuha lang akong dalawang chicken. Yung ribs. Kasi hindi na namin nauubos. Yung mga bata kasi may kanya-kanya rin silang gusto. So, instead na kumuha ko ng isang box.
Did she get?
Dalawa na lang para sa akin na lang. Si Jan ayaw naman. Minsan gusto, minsan ayaw. Nasaan chips?
No.
Snacks?
Yeah, no, but I'm just not hungry.
Hindi siya gutom kasi kumain siya, di ba? McDonald's.
On diet.
Wow, ala ako guys, magda-diet tayo. After ng eto, mag-diet tayo.
Are we going to the playground? That's
Tastes
good.
What?
Give me.
Where's the water, babe?
Oh yeah, I got it.
Sarap ng chips. Madudobat tayo, guys.
I want to taste soy sauce.
Si Holly, pareho sila ni Sag naka-teriyaki. Sushi teriyaki. Hindi sila.
Ah,
Iwan ko yung naglalagyan ko sa inyo dyan sa yung anong tawag na?
Can I have the rest of that?
What? What?
Dad.
nah, this is yucky now, mate. It's warm. Can you set it somewhere? It's just...
The hot one at mine.
Right.
Okay. You're gonna pull up?
Let's
No.
go.
Go and
What?
have a look at the playground. That'd be good.
Playground?
That'd be a good playground.
Pasaro tayong playground. Tayo ka mag-playground. This is our first time.
I know. Like I said, I've never been.
Is it a good one?
Oh, I think it's got a train thing that you just go all the way
I'm
down.
saving this.
Okay.
The best playground I've
Well, I haven't eaten any, darling girl. You can have that for tea.
Dad, my best
Yeah.
playground was.
Hindi tayo magluluto pag uwi natin,
Yeah.
guys.
Something killed it.
Remember that
Oh,
big
yeah.
plate? Yeah. Dad,
Kung anong tira ngayon, yun na yung dinner.
Try it.
No.
No, it's tropical.
Shake you.
Don't make me spill it.
This is hospital, huh? Yeah, it is.
Mom, go there for your.
Zach!
Zachary.
Look at that kid.
Jackarai.
It's hot. It's hot now, no?
Skate park, Daddy, get me scooter out.
No, you're not.
Pa-park na tayo dito, guys. Mag-playground saglit yung mga bata. Hindi pa sila tapos kumain. Kuha tayo ng inumin sa caravan. Hala. Tayo na may iinom. And I check. Halahan, the light cover again.
That one always comes off.
Yeah, this one.
nah.
What's this one?
Yeah, that's the one. That one's
What?
come off, and so is that one. But
Yeah, here, ayan, may natanggal na isa, guys.
that's alright.
Okay. Patay na.
Both,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
So they have to move.
No, so
Get your drink.
maybe this one. Come. And then this.
Both of them, you only need one.
Yeah, but the kids,
They got water in it.
we have water. Or?
Like this. There, go.
Check. Okay.
Good. Get
All right.
your drink.
That one you said.
Oh, you only got one. All right.
Yeah. Para maubos na yan. Alright, thank you.
Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do